What's up, YouTube? We're here in sunny Reykjavik enjoying an Icelandic summer.
What's up?
And we wanted to talk to you about routines. Travel is a great opportunity for you to reassess some of the routines you have in your life, both good and bad.
Certainly.
On this trip, we kept some of our routines and we paused some of the bad routines that we had built up. I know for myself, one of my routines at home is to come home from work and just turn on the TV and just leave the TV on in the background, whether it's the news or sports. It's easy to get distracted and get caught up in the day-to-day and not really pay attention to how it's just eating time in your life. Here in Reykjavik, I haven't turned on a TV because I don't speak Icelandic, so there's not much entertainment for me.
Well, we've also been busy with a lot of sightseeing. I mean, this is a beautiful country and there's so many beautiful things to see. Why waste time sitting around your hotel room watching Icelandic television? You're going to see some sights, but it's a lot better to see them in person.
Absolutely. So we got to enjoy some of the sights here in Reykjavik and also pause those negative routines. There are positive routines in your life that keep you grounded, that keep you moving forward. So we were able to keep those. We were exercising daily to keep that moving. But some of these negative routines or habits that we built up, we may not even realize are holding us back. And travel is a great opportunity to break those habits.
Well, when you're traveling, it is difficult to keep up the positive habits. You tend to lay things lax because of the traveling and the running around. However, if you do find time to keep those habits, you'll find your travel to be much more grounded. That's what allows you to feel grounded, and it allows you to enjoy yourself, feel good, so you can get out there.
Now, when you're back home, think about some of these habits that you may have built up, some of these things that you're doing without even realizing how they're impacting you.
The Reykjavik Icelandic people are so
friendly.
They're so friendly. If I was America, Sean would have been punched in the head a few times. Maybe that camera would have been stolen. We wouldn't be able to finish this vlog.
So what are those habits or routines that you've built up that maybe are not moving you closer to those goals or in alignment with your values? Take a second to pause some of those. Try something new. Give yourself an opportunity to break some of those bad habits and reset some things.
Yes, just because your home life is on pause doesn't mean that your evolution is on pause. In fact, your evolution is speeding up when you're traveling. You're pushing yourself outside your comfort zones and you're growing. That's why traveling is so great.
And if you don't have an opportunity to travel, become a tourist in your own town.
Yes.
Turn off the TV, unplug, go outside, get some experiences in, travel around your own city and try some new things. You don't have to be stuck in the habits and routines that are holding you back.
One of my favorite things is that you'd be surprised with those sights and sounds in your hometown that you've probably missed for years.
All right, we're gonna say bye from Iceland. Have a good one.
Later.